So Redmi has launched a new Redmi Note here in India, and that happens to be the Redmi Note 7S, and here's a boxed unit. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Now, if you do end up liking what you see in this video, please don't forget to turn on notifications by hitting that bell icon. My name's Ash, you're watching FTJ by C4 Retech. Let's jump right in. Now, this is a close-up of the box. It now says 48 megapixel AI camera. Flipping it around, this is the 464 sapphire blue variant. So let's go ahead and open it up. Hey, the guys finally got me an unboxing knife, so I'm gonna use that instead of a sim tool. So opening up the box, there's another one inside. So guys, this basically is the same Redmi Note 7 that Xiaomi sells in China. Anyway, we have some regular literature here, safety information and the like. Then there is a soft case, just like we've seen with the Redmi Note 7. If this entire video feels like you've seen everything before, I'm not gonna blame you. The box contents are pretty identical to what we've seen with the Note 7. And anyway, we have the Redmi Note 7S itself next. Let me remove that sticker, then the one at the bottom. Now the camera sensor you see here, this is what has changed from the Redmi Note 7. Just like the Chinese Redmi Note 7, the Note 7S uses the Samsung GM1 sensor. Anyway, peeling the protective plastic to the front, let's turn on the Redmi Note 7S and pop that case on and set it aside for the moment. What else do we have here? What's this now? It's still a 10-watt adapter. It is worth mentioning that the Note 7S does support Quick Charge 4.0 Plus, just like the other Redmi Notes before it. And then finally, here's a USB Type-C cable. So that was pretty much everything we have in the box with the Redmi Note 7S. So what do you guys think about Redmi relaunching the Chinese Redmi Note 7 in India as the Redmi Note 7S? Let me know in the comments below. And I guess that's pretty much it for this super short unboxing video. And because this is a super short unboxing video, I decided to post it on FTJ, and over on C4 Retech, I do have a blind test of the cameras between the Redmi Note 7S, the Redmi Note 7 Pro, and the Realme 3 Pro. So if you haven't checked that video out yet, here's a card to it. Go ahead, check that out. Now, what other videos would you want to see about the Redmi Note 7S? Let me know in the comments below and I'll try to get that done. And you liked this video, hated it, go ahead, let me know with a thumbs up, thumbs down. Subscribe, turn on notifications by hitting that bell icon if you haven't yet. Thanks a lot for watching. Till next time, my name's Ash. You've been watching FTJ by C4 Retech, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ciao.